We got a real fridge, like a 4 cubic feet fridge that can actually fit food in it. I am so excited, and this feels like such a huge upgrade. I ordered a new fridge online that came, and Greg is coming evidently because he's in the car, so. Oh my god, someone has a pot just like in the middle of the fucking road. God, I hate these people. I cannot fucking wait to leave. Okay, while I was attempting to get out, Alder literally already got it done. So now I need to just turn the car around. Such a funny way. Yeah! Woo! Look, she's so much bigger. I'm so excited. It doesn't look like a huge upgrade, but it absolutely fucking is. This is our old fridge, and I'm doing a bunch of cleaning. We're actually giving it to like our landlord people-ish for like the next 3 weeks. Because their daughter has a camper that it would probably go well in, so it seems like it was the perfect opportunity to be able to get rid of this and also give it to someone who could use it. Alder just easily carrying shit is always like crazy to me. Like, what the fuck? It's time for more cleaning. I know this seemingly doesn't look like a big upgrade going from one fridge to the other, but we lived out of a cooler for 2 years, so going from a cooler to a tiny fridge to this is really big. God, what does Alder do for work? This. I'm so excited. I'm gonna have to stop captioning that we don't have a real kitchen anymore because we kind of do. Aside from like a sink and no prep space. It's half a real kitchen. Thank you for bringing it in. You're so amazing. Is that just one? Anyways, back to my silly little job, pretending nothing bad is happening. I'm super excited. This could actually feed 3 people. Not a baby, but for wife, question mark? I'm convinced we'll find a fellow homeless girl who's also 23 with an A name on the Oregon coast. Let me cook for you, baby girl.